so what are we going to talk about today?
Let's talk about the damages that are recoverable in a personal injury lawsuit.
Great. Damages. What are damages, Susan?
Well, there's a couple of categories of damages. There are things like medical bills and expenses. There are things like lost wages. There are things like pain and suffering. So I'm going to talk a little bit about pain and suffering, which is that kind of damage. It's a little bit hard to quantify. But one of the things that we see with our clients is that that's really a big piece of what happened to them. It may be that they were in a car accident and their leg got broken, right? So we can show those pictures, we can show the medical bills, but how do you have a person talk about how that's hurt them? And what will a potential jury give you if you describe it as it really happened? And that's stuff we work with people, because some people are a little more shy about talking about that kind of stuff and other people are not. So that's an important component, and it's recoverable under Florida law.
Great.
And also, the lines on the verdict form, all of these things that we've mentioned are lines on the verdict form that get added up to get the number for the verdict. So 2 of those lines are past medical expenses and future medical expenses. So all of the past medical expenses are recoverable, assuming that you can prove that the other side is at fault. And then also you can recover whatever the cost or estimated cost of your future medical expenses are going to be.
Exactly. And the same goes for lost wages, which are economic damages, just like medical expenses. And those are typically math. So there's a definite number. Sometimes with the lost wages, it's a little convoluted when people have jobs where they aren't paid by the hour, like by commission. Those can be more complicated cases, and sometimes you have to hire experts to kind of calculate and estimate what those losses amount to. But those are the type of damages that we typically seek to recover in personal injury cases.